Morning, Paula Alejandra. How are you today? Paula, good morning. Can you hear me?
Hello, teacher. Good morning.
Hey, hello, Paula. How are you today?
Good, thank you.
Good? Okay, very well. What were you doing before this lesson, Paula?
Sorry, teacher.
What were you doing before this lesson?
I was in the school.
Okay. But now are you at the school?
No, teacher. In this
No?
moment, I'm in my house.
Okay. Okay, so you were in the school, but now you are at home. Okay. And do you have to go in the afternoon to the school?
Um, After this session,
In the afternoon. Or
and
you only study in the mornings, right?
mornings.
You don't have to go to the school any afternoon?
No, teacher. I
No?
finish my class in the school at 3 p.m.
Ah, okay, at 3 p.m. That's why you don't have to go there because I thought you were studying from, I don't know, from 6 or from 7 to 12, and sometimes you have to go in the afternoon because you have some lessons or some special classes in the afternoon. But with that schedule, of course, you don't have to go the afternoon. What classes, what subjects did you watch today in the school?
I watched philosophy, uh,
Philosophy. Okay. What
Spanish,
else? Spanish.
English,
Okay.
maths.
Yes. Do you like philosophy?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. What are you studying in English?
¿Qué estamos estudiando ahorita en inglés?
Yes.
In this moment, we are studying present perfect.
Okay. Present perfect. The use of have, has, and the verb in past participle, right?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Do you have to learn by heart the verbs?
Some verbs.
Some verbs. Okay. But do you have a list of verbs, of irregular verbs to study, to learn? Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. In your English classes, in your English lessons in the school, you have the opportunity to speak?
Mm, no, no.
No?
It's more grammar.
Okay, you study especially grammar.
Yes,
You
teacher.
don't speak. How many students are there in your classroom?
In my classroom, we are 39.
39. Oh my God, there are too many students. That's why it's very difficult to speak,
Yes,
to practice your speaking in the classroom.
yes, teacher.
The teacher have or don't have the opportunity to speak with you. It's a man or a woman, your English teacher?
It's a woman.
It's a woman. Okay, so she has to learn to study especially grammar and other topics, but speaking is quite difficult with that amount of students.
Yes, teacher.
But sometimes you have the opportunity to speak, maybe a role play, a conversation, or you have to record an audio. I don't know.
Sometimes speaking is with presentations
Okay.
with various topic.
Okay, so maybe the teacher gives you a topic and you have to design to organize a presentation.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, and do you have a specific time?
Yes, teacher, is how can I say más que todo?
Moreover,
Moreover, in application notes, final
okay,
period, the period.
period. Okay, maybe if we say period because it's related to periodo, no? But in English, we use the word that is term, T-E-R-M, term, and period. Okay. Okay, Paula, we're going to do an exercise. We're going to start doing an exercise with numbers. As we were studying last week. Remember that I said numbers are so easy. When I say, okay, you are in B2 and you are going to study numbers, you say, oh my God, but I am in B2, so numbers is so easy. But when we study how to say the numbers in dates, in address, in telephone numbers, in mathematics, they are not so easy. Today, we are going to start doing an exercise where you are going to listen to a native person giving some numbers, a native person giving some numbers, and you are going to try to identify those numbers, okay? I'm going to, wait a minute, I'm going to share with you a link. See this one. This link. I'm going to share with you via chat. One, I have already sent it a link. Please open that link. Click on that link and open it. And I'm going to share with you my screen too. This one. Let me see this one. So when you open or you click on that link, you are going to see this screen, okay? And here, you are going to listen, you are going to play here, and you are going to listen a number. Wait a minute, I'm going to share my sound. This one, right? Okay, like this.
252,117.
Okay, and here you're going to write the numbers. You can listen to the audio once, twice, 3 times. Okay, doesn't matter.
252,117.
And here you're going to write the number. Okay, the number that you listen to, the audio, you are going to write here. After you listen to the audio, you can click on check. Okay, and you are going to know if it's right or it's wrong. Sorry. We are going to do, okay, here there are too many exercises. As you can see here, there are 201 exercises. There are too many. But we're going to do, let me see, the first eight exercises, okay?
88.
We're going to do until number
20,000.
okay? You have the opportunity to
252,117.
okay? So let's do it. I'm going to give you a couple of minutes in order to do it. Did you understand? Is it clear for you, Paula?
Yes, teacher, but is the 1 and 8 or
From
2,
number
8?
1 to number 8.
Okay.
The first 8 exercises, okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, I'm going to mute my microphone and I'm going to wait for you to finish. Okay, Paula, did you finish?
No, teacher.
Okay, don't worry.
Right, teacher.
Okay, Paula, now you are going to tell me the numbers, okay? So the number one, what is the number one? Tell me the number in English, of course.
Number one.
Yes, number one.
88, 200,
258,
58?
52,
Okay,
1,000,
1,000, yes.
117,
Okay, yes, 252,117. Good. Number two,
88,
88,000,
yes,
524,
yes. Number three,
400,
448,
1,000,
1,000, 470,
70,
70.
70. Okay, number four,
4,000,
4,200, 209.
209, yes. Number 5
Nine.
is quite long.
Yes. 9 millions.
Yes.
737,693.
Yes, that's right. 9,738,693. Number 7.
300.
6.
6, okay.
379,181.
181, yes. Number 7.
600,000.
Yes, that's all. 600,000, no more. And the last one, number 8.
20,000.
20,000.
Okay, 20 or 20. No, remember that you can say 20 or 20,000. That's all. Okay, good. As you could see, it's not so easy, no? It's not so easy because a native person, when a native person is speaking, he speaks fast, and his pronunciation is not the same as we have, no? As we do. That's a key point that we have to take into account, no? Our pronunciation as a person that has a second language. English is our second language, is not our first or our native language, is not the same as a native, no? That's why it's very important to listen to native people, no? To listen to native people in songs, in series, and movies. For example, if I pronounce one of these numbers, you can understand easier. But if it's a native person who speaks, you are not going to understand the words or the numbers so easy. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Sí, Paula, nosotros como hablantes nosotros estamos aprendiendo inglés como un segundo idioma. Entonces nuestra pronunciación va a ser, por muy buena que sea, por muy excelente que sea, que alcancemos a tenerla, siempre va a haber esa diferencia de escuchar a un nativo, ¿no? Cuando uno escucha a un nativo, es diferente, ¿no? A escuchar a una persona que aprendió inglés como segunda lengua. Así sea un profesor, así sea lo que sea, la pronunciación no va a ser, porque hay una entonación, hay ciertos rasgos muy característicos, ¿no? De la persona nativa. Sin embargo, en el caso de ustedes, de las nuevas generaciones que están aprendiendo inglés desde muy pequeños, la pronunciación tiende a ser mucho mejor. Tiende a ser mucho mejor que la de nosotros, ¿no? However, you have to practice a lot in order to improve your pronunciation. And remember, you have to listen to native person. It's quite important to listen to native person. For example, if you go to the school, your teacher, I don't know, maybe it's not a native person, or if it's a native person, you are going to practice more. Okay, and that's quite interesting. Okay, Paula. Remember, this is a very easy topic. We say, okay, the numbers so easy, but if we do this exercise, we hesitate. No, we hesitate. We are listening to the number and we hesitate, and we are not sure if it's this number or another one. No, we are going to hesitate because when we listen to the native person, the pronunciation is a little different. Now we're going to do another exercise in order to practice. The listening. I'm going to share my screen with you. this one. And here we are going to listen to a conversation called on the phone. This is a conversation called on the phone, so we are going to listen to two people speaking on the phone, not talking on the phone. And here, the idea, the aim, the goal of the activity is to listen to and write the exact words you listen to in that audio, okay? Sometimes when we listen to an audio, we understand many things. We don't understand everything, but we understand many things, and we can have a general idea about the audio. But here, in this specific activity, you have to write or to type what you hear, but it must be the exact words. For example, I'm going to play the first one.
Good morning, Scott and Smith Law Office. May I help you? Good morning, Scott and Smith Law Office. May I help you?
So in this case, for example, you have to write here, good morning. Here is the name of a company, of a factory of a company, that it's not so easy.
Good morning, Scott and Smith Law Office. May I help you?
But it's the Scott and Smith Law Office. May I help you? Okay, look at this. We are going to listen to the audio again.
Good morning, Scott and Smith Law Office. May I help you?
Okay, that's right. And after that, of course, you can check if it's right or it's wrong, okay? In this case, for example, this is okay, this is correct. And what happened here? You are going to find in this exercise the translation. Look at this. After you write the sentence you listen to and you type it correctly, you are going to find the translation of the sentence. Buenos días, oficina legal de Scott Smith. ¿En qué puedo ayudarle? And besides, you are going to find the sentence, the whole sentence, and you can listen to the pronunciation of each word. Each word. For example, if I click on good, okay, and you have the opportunity to listen that word in British accent and in American accent, okay? For example, if I'm going to listen to this word in British accent,
Good,
okay, in
Good.
American accent,
good,
Good.
okay, this one,
Morning.
morning,
Morning.
okay? So this is a good exercise you can do. Remember, you listen to the audio, you type or write the exact words. After that, you can see if you don't understand any word or the sentence, you can see the translation into Spanish, and you can find here how to pronounce each word. Okay, so that's a good exercise. I'm going to share with you the link, this link, in order for you to do the following sentences, okay? Let's see here, this one. So you can click on the link and go to this website and do the next exercises, no? Maybe 14 is too much. 14 sentences is too much. Maybe we can do from number 1 to number 7. Let's do until number 7, okay? Is it clear,
Teacher.
Paula? Okay, so go ahead. When you finish, let me know. Okay.
Ready, teacher.
Okay, Paula, well done. Okay, what do you think? Is it this exercise is easy or difficult for you?
So.
Okay, there are some words which are very familiar, which are very known for us, so it is easy, but sometimes we hesitate when we listen to some words and we have trouble. Okay, let's check it out. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to give you here, see here, this one. Okay, another thing that you can find here in this website is the full transcript. No? Here you have dictation, and here you have the full transcript. It means the transcription, all of the all role play, all the dialogue. Okay. So here, for example, in this case, this is the exercise we have to do. This is the 14 sentences. The 14 sentences you have here. Here you have. So we have the number one. Good morning, Scotland Smith Law Office. May I help you? That's the first one. The second one was, yes, may I speak to David Waller, please? So, for instance, when you are going to write the name, I suppose you had some troubles, no? Because you listen David Waller, but you are not sure about how to write that name. Or did you have any trouble, any problems with that name?
Yes.
Or it was okay, that's right. For example, when we are going to write this name, the name of the office, the name of the company, we hesitate. No, we hesitate because we are not sure about how to write Scott Smith Law Office. Okay. So number two, yes, may I speak to David Waller, please? Next, I'm sorry, he isn't here yet. May I take a message? Yes, could you ask him to call Marjorie Bale? How do you spell your last name? V-A-L-E. What's your phone number? Does Mr. Waller have it? No, he doesn't. And it's 6805290. Okay. And it's longer. So I suppose it's not so difficult because the language of these sentences, as you can see here, is not complicated. No, it's not very complicated. Maybe the level is low, not low, is not so high, so you can understand almost everything. Okay, we are going to read the dialogue, the role play. I'm going to be the B person and you are going to be the A person. So you are going to start and then I will talk. Okay, Paula?
Okay, teacher.
Let's start. You.
Good morning, Scott and Smith Law Office. May I help you?
Okay, may I help you? No? Remember that you'll join these words. Okay, join these words. Help you. You pronounce like only one. Don't say help you. No, help you. Okay, may I help you? Look at this. All these sentences. May I help you? Join the words. There are four words, but you pronounce like only one. May I help you? Okay, only one. Yes, may I speak to David Waller, please?
I'm sorry, he isn't here yet. May I take a message?
Okay, I'm sorry, he isn't here yet. No, he isn't here yet. May I take a message? Yes, could you ask him to call Marjorie Bale?
How do you spell your last name?
V-A-L-E.
Where's your phone number? Does Mr. Ware have it?
Have it. No, he doesn't.
Mm, It's 680.
Okay.
5,290.
Okay, we are going here. We have the opportunity, the chance to listen to each sentence. No, for example, I can play here. I'm going to listen only this sentence. Let's listen to that part.
It's 680-5290.
I'm sorry. Could you repeat that?
Okay, remember that when we say the phone numbers, we have to say number by number. Okay, number by number. So listen to again.
It's 680-5290.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Could you repeat?
It's 680 here. The man is saying 0, but remember that you can say O, no? It's 680-5290. When it's a phone number, you have to say it one by one. Okay? Don't forget that. Let's continue. I'm sorry. Could you repeat that?
680-5290.
Okay, I'll give him the message.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Here, I'm going to give you another key, which is very important for you when we are learning a language. I don't know if you have heard about that. In English, there is something, there is a technique to learn English called shadowing. Shadowing, okay, shadowing. It comes from the word shadow. You know what is a shadow?
No, teacher.
No? Okay, shadow in Spanish, sombra. In English, there is a technique called shadowing. Hay una técnica que pues muchas personas recomiendan que es el shadowing, que es, por ejemplo, coger una frase como esta y decirla en el mismo ritmo, en la misma velocidad que la dice la persona. Entonces nosotros la cogemos y la escuchamos.
Good morning, Scott and Smith Law Office. May I help you?
Y después entonces la ponemos otra vez y la decimos y tratamos de decirla al mismo ritmo, a la misma velocidad de esa persona, ¿no? Eso es para desarrollar fluidez. We do that in order to improve our fluency, ¿no? Our fluency.